Hey guys, Rick for Sonance here, back in our video. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to make a drop like feature, like we did in previous videos. Those ones went quite well. So in today's video, we're gonna make a new takeout drop. I'm really happy with the results, so you definitely want to keep watching the video to hear the final result. Besides that, we got quite a few comments on features Ghost producing. So let's change the video title to how to make a drop like Chris Lake. So first we need to find out what the key elements are, like the catchy vocals,
Side to side like a roller coaster.
the takehouse bass, those obnoxious leads, and the drums. So the track all started with a vocal. So the idea of the track started with a typical tech house vocal.
Then there's Lisa in Ibiza bringing strangers back to play, having fun and work.
First, pitch the vocal and key.
Then there's Lisa in Ibiza bringing strangers back to play.
Now we're gonna make it thick with some more effects.
Then there's Lisa in Ibiza bringing strangers back to play. Then there's Lisa in Ibiza bringing strangers.
Then there's Lisa in Ibiza bringing strangers. Then there's Lisa in Ibiza bringing strangers. Making sure the rent gets paid. But the strangers, and it's danger that she loves. Getting high and getting...
So by the way, all the sounds, drums and presets are coming from the dirty tech packs. So right now we got a bundle sale going on. So instead of getting the packs for 35 euros, you can get it for 25 if you want to make tag house. So the link is down below. So the bass MIDI in tech house is fairly simple, like in these tracks. So let's start off with a preset from the pack. Now let's make a melody.
No, none of that.
That's it, now mix it. Besides that, we added a stop bass. We're also gonna add this sound to it. Altogether, sounding like this.
Lose the buzz.
Sounds cool.
Now let's add in the drums.
The buzz.
Starting with a kick and clap. Add the open head. Add a drum loop for more groove. It's really simple but really effective.
Then there's Lisa in Ibiza bringing strangers back to play.
Now let's dive into the leads. Those melodies tend to just have a few notes, like these tracks for example. Let's use this preset from the pack. So just add a few random notes. That's it, now mix it. Besides that, we added these other synths from the pack. To fill up the track some more, I added these ear candy effects. And that's it for the video. So if you like the video, please leave a like and subscribe and the subscribe button. And the final result will sound like this.
Then there's Lisa in Ibiza bringing strangers back to play. Having fun and working hard, making sure the rent gets paid. But the strangers come with danger and it's danger that she loves. Getting high and getting fucked. lose the buzz.